Hello everyone. This lecture is quite interesting because in this lecture we're going to find out how we can calculate the electricity bill that we often come across in our household, and we will also learn the what are the basic unit or the commercial unit of energy. So first of all, let's understand what is commercial unit of energy. The one of the common commercial unit of energy is kilowatt hour that we actually use throughout the globe. We can write it is kilowatt hour. Okay, you might be thinking this is not a unit of energy, but it looks like a unit of power because the watt is coming. But you must notice here is the time unit also given. So if I write about the watt, I'm just writing the watt. Okay, so what we can write watt in the last lecture we remember 1 watt is equals to 1 joule upon 1 second. So instead of writing watt, we can write joule upon second. Okay, and here is hour, so we can convert the hour into the second. Again we can write second. Now second we can cut down, ultimately what is coming joule. So don't get confused. It is not a unit of power, but it is a unit of energy. It is a commercial unit of energy. So what we can write, if I'm writing 1 kilowatt hour, kWh, okay, small h it will be kilowatt hour, we can write 1 kilowatt multiplied 1 hour. Now we have to convert this into the joule. So we are converting. We know 1 kilo value is 10 to the power 3, and this is watt. Okay, so I'll write down the watt, and we have to convert this into the second. So if I'll convert this hour into second, then it will be 3600 second. And now the value of this one will be 3610 to the power 5, or we can write 3.6 10 to the power 6 joule. Hope you understood this because we converted this hour into seconds. So watt hour, watt and second when we are writing. So we get the value joule over here. From here, we can write 1 kilowatt hour is 3.6 10 to the power 6 joule. So let's write this 1 kWh kWh is equals to 3.6 10 to the power 6 joule. That is the relation, and you might have understood that kilowatt hour is not a unit of power, but it is a unit of energy, which is equals to 3.6 10 to the power 6 joule. And it is also called in many country unit. 1 kilowatt hour we can say 1 unit, or sometime we say BOT, Board of Trade Unit, BOT. And this BOT, we decide that one BOT will cost will be $1 in some country. Like in India, it is around 7 rupees for one BOT. Okay, so we will use this equation. We will use this relation between the kilowatt hour and joule in our later numerical. So let's see the numerical in order to understand this in a better way. Okay, this is a quite interesting question. It is saying that an electric heater, there is a heater, okay, and there is an electric bulb that rated 100 watt and 50 watt respectively. So heater is 100 watt and bulb is 50 watt, and it runs for 10 hours daily. Then how much energy is consumed? Okay, this is the first question is asking, and the second is also asking find the electricity bill of 1 month if 1 BOT, that means 1 unit, that means 1 kilowatt hour is equals to $0.5. So it's quite high price for electricity, but we have to solve this question. We're not going to see the economics over here. Okay, so let's try to solve this. We're going to, okay. So first of all, we have to find how much energy is being consumed by the heater. So we will find the energy consumed by heater. Okay, so we know energy consumed by heater, it is given watt. So I'll write down total 100 watt it is given. and how much time it is running for. It is running for 10. So we can say it is 1000 watt per 1000 watt hour. This is basically it is coming. Now we have to convert this in kilowatt hour. Then we can find out how much unit it is consuming, because we know in the above relation we have understood that 1 kilowatt hour is equals to 1 BOT. So it is in the kilowatt hour. It is in the watt hour, so we have to convert into kilo. So that means we have to divide this with the 1000. So when we are dividing with the 1000, we'll get 1 kWh. So that means the cost in one day is $0.5. So the cost will be in 30 days, because we need to find out in the month. So we will find out the cost in 30 days. So I'll just multiply this 30 into this total watt hour is coming. So it will come 30 kilowatt hour in 1 month. The value is coming. So the total cost will be, we have to multiply with that 0.5. Okay, so 30 multiplied $0.5, it will come $15. Okay, so that is the amount of I don't know what is the sign of the dollar is. I think this is the sign of the dollar. Okay, so this is the amount of the we need to pay for the heater in 1 month. Let's find out the amount that we have to pay for the bulb. Now the bulb is consuming 50 watts. So energy consumed by the bulb. What will be the energy consumed by the bulb? It will be 50 into 10. It is just a 1 day energy. 500 watt it is coming in 1 day. That means 500 watt hour. That means we have to convert in 5. So it will come 0.5 kilowatt hour. So in 1 day, the 0.5 kilowatt hour. Then we can say in 30 days, in 30 days or 1 month, it will be 0.5 multiplied 30, and it is coming 0.5, oh sorry, 115, 15 kilowatt hour. And we know 1 kilowatt hour is 1 BOT. Okay, so 1 BOT cost is 0.5, so 15 BOT cost we have to multiply. So the cost of the bulb, we can find cost of the electricity consumed by the bulb will be 15 into 0.5, and this will be $7.5. Hope you understood this. It's quite simple, and then we have to calculate the total cost. So we have to add this amount and this amount, and then we will get the answer. Hope you understood this. It is quite interesting. Now we have to proceed to the next question. What is the next question saying? It's saying a house consumes 200 units of energy every month. How much energy it consumes in joule? So basically we have to convert this units into joule. We know, we have learned this, that 1 unit is equals to 1 kilowatt hour, and 1 kilowatt hour is nothing but 3.6 10 to the power 6 joule. So we have to convert this 20 units of energy in joules. So I'll write 200 units will be 200 multiplied 3.6 10 to the power 6 joule, and this will be uh, 2 multiplied 0.6, 2, remainder is coming 1, and 2 3 is 6, 7.2, 7 point, and this will come 0, 10 to the power 6. So no, this point will not come over here. Okay, 720 it will come, and now we can write 7.2 10 to the power 8 joule. This is the idea. We have get to the answer that 1 joule, sorry, 1 kilowatt hour is 3.6 10 to the power 6 joules. So from that idea, we got the value how much 20 units will be equals to. Hope you understood this. Now proceed to the next question. Try to pause the video and try to solve the question, this question by yourself. Okay, how we can solve this question? It is saying the water pump stores 200 kg of water in a tank at a height of 20 meters. So let's make a just rough diagram. I'm not very good at sketching, so I'm just making a rough diagram. Suppose this is a water pump, okay, and there is a water pipe attached with it, and it is filling a tank, okay, at a certain height. So suppose this is a certain height where the tank going, okay. So this is a certain height where the tank is going, and the height is 25 meters from here to here. Okay. Now what we need to do is we need to find the work done by the pump and its power. Two things we have to find: the work done and the power. Okay. Let's understand this. The 25-meter height we have to apply, and then this 20 kg. So what are the given things are here? Let's see the given things. Mass is given 200 kg. Okay. And then height is given, h is given, which is 25 meters, and the time is given, which is 20 seconds. So first of all, we need to find out the work. Work, we know it is force and displacement. So the force, obviously the pump will apply the force upward because it is filling the water, and it is producing the displacement at the same place. So we can say we have to find the force. What will be the force over here? The force will be nothing but the weight of the water that we have to lift. So the weight of the water is what? Here the mass is 200 kg. So 200 kg, and we have to multiply with the acceleration due to gravity, which is also given 10. So that means it will be 2000 Newton. So the force is 2000 Newton. Okay. And what is the displacement? Displacement is 25. So we can say 25 multiplied, it will be 5000 uh, joule. Okay, so this is the amount of work is coming. Now we have to find the power. What will be the power? Power will be work upon time, and that's so simple. 500 divided time. Time is what? It is given, which is 20 seconds. Okay, now we have to calculate this. 250, that means 250 watt. That is the power of water pump. Hope you understood this. Now we have to find out the next question. Now I'll urge you that you'll solve this question by yourself and try to comment the answer. Uh, then I'll tell you that which answer is correct and which is not, and also try to give you the solution of this. Thank you so much.